as a homeowner, obviously we're interested in the aesthetics of the home like any other new home builder would be, but from a perspective of my career over the last 30 years, I've been in the HVAC industry. I'm specifically interested in the mechanical ventilation for this home since it is so tight. This device here, the HRV, is a heat recovery ventilator. This is kind of the heart and soul of the mechanical ventilation within this home. This is a 24/7 device. It's programmable in a number of different modes to handle the ventilation needs within the home. As James mentioned to you earlier, this home's been designed to dry to the inside, so we have a certain amount of VOCs that we're going to have to take care of for the first few years of the home, some moisture that we're going to have to deal with as well. And this device is going to be key to maintaining indoor air quality and comfort for us. This is a higher end HRV. It's got ECM motors, that's electronically commutated motors that are variable speed. And it's a very high efficiency motor. Since this is going to be running so much of the time, we wanted to go the extra distance there. And again, this is going to be the key to maintaining indoor air quality in the home. I'm going to open the front of it up for you a little bit just to give you a flavor. There's not a lot to see. You see the core, which is where the heat exchange takes place. We've got fresh air coming in across the core, and then stale air going out, and the stale air will be exhausted outside. Fresh air obviously will bring indoor air in through the device as well. If you look up above, you can actually see 4 pipes that we're going to be connecting to. One will be fresh supply air out to the house. The other will be return stale air, or air that is less than fresh. It's going to be exiting through the HRV, where we're going to pull as much heat energy out of it as we possibly can in the wintertime before we send it back outside, and do just the opposite in the summer. Try to take some of that heat energy that's coming in from outside out of that air, so we can minimize both our heating requirement and our cooling requirement as a result of using this system. You see a couple of little yellow tabs here on the front. Those are actually balancing dampers. We'll be balancing this system once it's completely installed to as close to neutral as we can get it. If we can get within 2 or 3 Pascal of being at a neutral pressure, I'll be happy with that.